How to add the video overlay that gives you this effect with the recording as if you are currently recording a video. And this is with YouCut Video Editor app. And this particular overlay is going to work great for vertical videos such as YouTube Shorts and TikTok videos. So let's just say you have your vertical video already within YouCut Editor, and now you want to add this record video effect. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the PIP tool right here, which is the one that has the PIP, this one right there. And once you do this, you want to tap on where it says Material. So you'll tap over here on Material. Then while you are in the material section, you are going to look for the section here, this category here, the last one that says frame, this one. So make sure you're under the frame section, which is this one here. And once you're here, you should see this right there. If it's not there, make sure you have the latest update for YouCut Editor. And once you set it, it will appear like this here. Now, the first thing you want to do once it appears like this here is to the bottom section right here, go down. Go across until you see fill. So you're looking for fill. This is going to take up the entire vertical video that you're currently editing. And you'll notice it's going to be all black like that. But from here in this area, go back to your left until you see chroma, this tool right here. Now, when you tap on this little pointer is going to appear here, and you're going to move it until it becomes like this here. You'll notice how it'll have a black circle like this here. Once you have that, and this is the pick color there, increase the strength to at least up to 50 or 60% at best. All right, that's going to take out as much black as possible. And when you press the check mark, you'll notice now the black that has been covering the video underneath it is no longer there. Now, the best thing I can tell you to have this overlay match the bottom video is one, you can, let's just say you're out of it, you'll tap here again, and you can reduce the speed of that overlay. And by doing this, that's going to increase the duration of this record video effect here. And when you reduce the speed here, you'll notice how it's going to go from 11 to 23 minutes, depending on how slow you put it to play. And not only that, if that's not enough, let's just say you wanted to continue have this video effect going across your entire video, just tap here on the overlay and these tools will reappear, and just browse over until you see the duplicate option. So go over until you see duplicate, and it's going to create another one right after it. And that's going to allow it to have that continuous video record effect. As you can see here, you're going to have this here in the end. And if you've been looking for this here, that's how you would do it. So like and sub.